Sunburn. People, I can't believe I see this so many times. People walking their dogs. It's hot outside. They're walking their dogs on a lead, and the dog is walking on tar seal, wherever. That dog's paws are burning. If you can't put your hand on that same surface and your dog is walking and feel the heat of it, and you can feel that it is too hot, you shouldn't be walking your dog. You should consider where you walk your dog. I just can't believe it. I still see it. It's like people are totally oblivious or ignorant or don't think about the fact. They think that they can walk with shoes, their dog's feet won't feel the heat. People, please consider when you walk your dog and where you walk your dog and what the time is. Please share this if you know these people that are doing this. People can be very ignorant, oblivious. Please share that and share this video, subscribe, leave a comment. It will be much appreciated. We have dogs here at Valhalla Kennels in Cattery in New Plymouth in New Zealand. We love dogs and we hate to see that dogs get hurt. So if you feel like I do, please share this to make sure that there's not a dog suffering because the owners are oblivious to the obvious.